In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create electronic signature in DocuSign. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable signature ready for any document you need to sign online, all within a few minutes. First, sign into your DocuSign account. Once you're in, look for your profile picture or icon in the top corner and choose Manage Profile. This brings you to the settings area where you control how your signature looks and behaves. On the left panel, open the Signatures section, then select the option to add a new signature. You'll see a button labeled plus Add Signature. Before you create anything, type your full name and your initials exactly the way you want them to appear on documents. This is what will show up every time you sign, so double check spelling and capitalization. Now choose how you want to create it. If you prefer something quick and professional, select Adopt, which lets you pick from pre-formatted handwriting style fonts. It's fast, clean, and great for consistency. If you want a more personal touch, choose Draw and use your mouse, trackpad, stylus, or finger to write your signature in the box. Take your time. Smooth, steady strokes work best. If you already have a picture of your handwritten signature, choose Upload and add a clear, high-contrast image file. A neatly cropped PNG or JPG with a transparent or white background typically looks the most natural. When you're happy with the preview, click Create, or you may see Adopt and Sign. This saves your signature so it's ready for all future documents. You can do the same for your initials, using the exact same methods to keep everything consistent. Quick note while we're here, I've placed the official DocuSign website link along with the mobile app download links, right at the top of the description. Use those to sign up or get the app if you don't have it yet. When it's time to sign a document, DocuSign makes it simple. Open the document, then from the left-hand panel, drag and drop the signature field onto the page where it needs to go. If the document requires initials, drop an initials field in the right spot as well. Click to apply your saved signature or initials, and you're done. For best results, zoom into align fields neatly and keep everything readable. If you're just getting started, you can create a free account to test these features and sign documents at no cost. That's all you need to create and use your electronic signature in DocuSign. If this was helpful, don't forget to check the links in the description, and thanks for watching.